If you're into vehicles, this video will grab your attention. Stick around to admire these beauties on wheels. The Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato combines the ferocity of a sports car with the daring of a rally on wild terrain. Designed to dominate any challenge, it reveals its true nature in its Italian name, Dirt Road. With a powerful V10 engine and rally modifications, it features increased ground clearance and four-wheel traction. Its LDV system ensures optimal control on difficult terrain. Equipped with Bridgestone tires, it can reach 80 kilometers per hour even with punctures. Priced at $287,000, it offers an exclusive and exhilarating driving experience. With the Huracan Sterrato, every journey becomes an unforgettable adventure. Impressive and imposing, just like the next one we're about to introduce to you. The TL6 Universal Track Platform offers an innovative transportation solution in the Spitsbergen archipelago. Adapted by Spitsbergen Travel, it can comfortably accommodate up to 24 people, allowing you to explore the Arctic landscape with friends and family in complete safety. With a speed limit of 50 kilometers per hour, passengers can immerse themselves in the beauty of the local landscapes. In addition, this platform can be used as a base for building custom vehicles, such as the Higgins BV206 tracked carrier for specialized projects such as wind turbine maintenance. In summary, the TL6 Universal Track takes Arctic adventure to new horizons and allows you to discover the magic of Spitsbergen in a unique and exciting way. Beautiful, gorgeous, a wonder of a vehicle, but the next one will amaze you just as much. The Burlak ATV is an 8-wheeled colossus designed to conquer challenging terrain and take off-road adventure to the next level. With a unique 8-wheel configuration, it offers unparalleled stability and traction on any terrain. With a cruising speed of 70 kilometers per hour and a ground clearance of up to 800 millimeters, it effortlessly overcomes obstacles. Its incredible endurance allows it to travel up to 5,000 kilometers on a full tank. The spacious cabin with a kitchen and bathroom offers comfort for up to 9 people. The Burlak ATV is more than an off-road vehicle. It's a mobile home ready to take adventures to new horizons. It's completely crazy, isn't it? Well, the next vehicle will leave you just as stunned. Derek offers customized electric bicycles that combine performance, durability, and comfort in a unique package. Their flagship model, the Hunter, features 3 wheels and a powerful electric motor for off-road adventures. What sets it apart is its ability to be customized with every detail, from the motor to the battery, tailored to the customer's individual needs and preferences. With Shimano Olivia 27-speed group sets for smooth and quiet riding, the Hunter offers a unique experience. If this one has fascinated you, I can't imagine what the next one will do to you. Since its debut in 2017, the Swamp Shark Drive has revolutionized navigation and captured the attention of sailors and enthusiasts alike. Designed to overcome shallow water and swampy terrain, this drive has even attracted Metal Shark for military applications. Its success lies in the combination of a robust propeller, reliable stabilization, and efficient cooling. With up to 550 horsepower and 1,700 Nm of torque, it exceeds expectations for performance and durability. In addition, its unique design minimizes the need for cleaning and is able to withstand impacts without significant damage. It's impressive, isn't it? But what comes next is just as, if not more, amazing. Experience a new dimension of winter adventure with the revolutionary Widescape WS250. This unique snowmobile allows you to challenge convention by gliding vertically for an exhilarating sense of speed and freedom. With a starting price of $889 and a weight of only 91 kilograms, it is surprisingly light and easy to transport. Equipped with a 20-horsepower engine, it reaches speeds of up to 65 miles per hour for a thrilling experience. It only takes 15 minutes to be ready to conquer the snow like never before. Leave the past behind and embrace the future with the Widescape WS250 for unparalleled winter fun. There is no doubt we're stepping up the game, but the next one will leave you in awe of its design and performance. The Cruiser Sport is an electric car that defies convention and is designed for adventure on any terrain. With sturdy wheels and a top speed of 56 kilometers per hour, it offers versatility and style. Its range of up to 129 kilometers takes you far, while the integrated stereo system adds to the fun. On the road or on the trail, the Cruiser Sport combines style, performance, and comfort for an unforgettable ride. If you love this one, the next one will seem like a beast. The Atrina ATV emerges as a new star in the world of off-road vehicles. promising to take exploration to new heights with its innovative and versatile design. With 2 hydraulically operated boat racks, it adapts to terrain conditions for optimal performance. With a capacity of 1 ton and room for up to 10 people, it's a symbol of power and capability. It offers optional features from winches to beds to suit any adventure. Starting at around $7,800, the Atrina offers unparalleled value for those seeking limitless adventure. Are you ready to explore new horizons with the Atrina ATV? It's a masterpiece, but so is the next one, and you won't believe it. The Rheinmetall Mission Master XT is at the forefront of autonomous military technology, offering reliability and versatility in any terrain or situation. Capable of performing missions ranging from fire support to casualty evacuation, it's the ultimate choice for the armed forces. Its Path autonomous drive system ensures unmatched precision and safety, even in hostile environments. Equipped with human-controlled weapon modules, it represents the future of military mobility, combining technological innovation with unmatched performance. If that's not enough, the next one will look like a beast, because monster doesn't cut it. Bush planes defy convention and take exploration to new heights with their unparalleled traversing ability and exceptional adaptability. Equipped with large, low-pressure tires and folding wings, they can land at ultra-low speeds of 18 kilometers per hour, allowing operations in areas inaccessible to conventional aircraft. Their short takeoff and landing capabilities make them ideal for operations in remote locations, including Antarctica. They're versatile and rugged machines, essential for transport in harsh conditions. Bush planes continue to push the boundaries of aviation, taking exploration to remote places and proving that there are no limits to reaching the unreachable. Sleek, elegant, versatile, precious, all of these fit into this one and the next one you won't believe. Textron Systems introduces the Ripsaw M5, a robotic tank that blends science fiction with reality. Inspired by the iconic Terminator, this unmanned tank redefines modern warfare with a speed of 100 kilometers per hour and unparalleled lethality. Its ability to deploy UAVs increases its reach in battlefield surveillance. It offers a variety of customizable armaments, from automatic cannons to grenade launchers. Equipped with artificial intelligence, it can make instant decisions and adjust strategies in real time. More than a war machine, the Ripsaw M5 represents the future of national security, ushering in a new era of modern combat. I told you it was crazy, but you'll love this one even more. The Tactic ATV invites you to explore the wildest terrain with the motto, "No roads needed anymore." Classified as an XTV, these all-terrain vehicles are designed to tackle any obstacle. Equipped with 4-wheel drive and a 55-horsepower engine, the Tactic Expert can carry up to 600 kilograms. Affordable at $20,600, it's a reliable and versatile option for everything from camping supplies to adventures in inhospitable terrain. Get ready to explore beyond limits with the Tactic ATV, your companion to conquer any challenge in the wild. Adventure falls short, but giant falls short with the next vehicle. The Glickenhaus boot is much more than a car. It's a statement of intent and challenge to the limits of engineering and adventure. Designed by SCG to conquer the world's most challenging terrains, this vehicle embodies a passion for competition and the pursuit of excellence in off-road performance. Available in 2- and 4-door versions, its independent suspension ensures a smooth ride over rough terrain. With engine options of 460 and 650 horsepower, it offers impressive power for an exhilarating experience. Although priced at around $300,000, for those who want it the best, it's an investment in the freedom to explore without limits. When we talk about quality, you've just seen a representative, just as the next vehicle represents the ability to tackle and overcome any place. In the most hostile and extreme environments, Hydrotec's all-terrain vehicles stand out as essential tools for carrying out challenging tasks. From agricultural work to rescue operations and infrastructure maintenance, Hydrotec models are the preferred choice for those who require reliability and versatility in harsh environments. The CM66 is one of the outstanding models in the Hydrotec range. With seating for 5 and a payload of up to 1,360 kilograms, this rugged vehicle is indispensable in a variety of situations. Its ability to travel on water makes it particularly useful in challenging water environments. For those who need even more power, the D2488B is the ideal choice. Equipped with a 115 horsepower engine, it can tow up to 4,500 kilograms, proving its worth in emergency situations such as hurricanes. If you like this one, the next one will have you falling out of your seat. The Falcon Snowmobile is a masterpiece of engineering. combining functionality and comfort for winter adventures. With heated handlebars and engines ranging from 20 to 30 horsepower, it adapts to different needs. Its design includes a digital dashboard, an electric start, and adjustable suspension for optimal control. An affordable $483, it offers reliable performance and style. Don't let the cold stop you. With the Falcon, you can explore winter landscapes with confidence and style, ready for any challenge. Elevate your snow experience and discover a world of adventure like never before. And last but not least, the RJ Tech Steinadler combines the versatility of a scooter with the power of an ATV to provide a unique off-road mobility experience. With a payload capacity of 275 kilograms and a ground clearance of 180 millimeters, this electric vehicle is ideal for both off-road and city use. It offers speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour and a range of 95 kilometers, with a suspension system that adapts to any terrain. The all-wheel drive version is available for just $555, making off-road thrills affordable. With the RJ Tech Steinadler, the wheel-based adventure is yours to explore without limits.